welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Mireya. I have another video for you. That is 2 videos in 1 week. I told you guys I have so many videos planned this year. So I figured I would just put this video up for you guys this week because I already have another fun video planned for you guys this weekend, and it's one of the videos that you guys love. And also let me know down in the comments what kind of videos you guys want to see next. As you guys know, I am all about that balling on a budget lifestyle. I love to shop, but it can be very expensive. So today I'm going to show you guys a subscription box that you guys can sign up and get free stuff in the mail too. Now, I don't want to drag this intro way too long, so let's just get right into the video. So here is my Pinch Me box. I've already taken it out of the package, but I did not open it, so I wanted to open it with you guys on camera so that we can see what's in it. I also do want to mention that I do have the Blogger box, which is like a deluxe size sample, but all of the things in this box you guys are eligible to receive in your Pinch Me box. I just know that the sample number is going to be different from what I got because I want to say that they just sent me everything that they currently have. So this is the January box. So I see a Pinch Me welcome box. I want to tell you guys how Pinch Me works. This is how it says. So you become a pincher. So you just have to log in. You have to tell them about yourself, create a profile, tell them what kind of things you buy, what kind of things you guys are interested. Then on Tuesday, you pick your samples that you want to have in your box. No credit card required. I want to know what you think of these samples. So their main focus is to make sure that you're reviewing the products that you do get. It's 100% free. There's no shipping on the box. And like I said, I will put down all the information down below. So let's just get right into the box. First thing I see is a snack, and this is the Blue Diamond Mini Nut Thins. Hint of seed salt, low sodium. So these are just almond and rice cracker snacks, and it says 90 calories. Also, I believe all of their snacks are good and healthy for you. The next thing is this thick, thin protein probiotic chocolate. And then the last snack that is in here is the RX Bar Kids. So this is for kids. It has 2 egg whites, 2 almonds, 5 cashews, 1 date, no bad stuff. So this is like super, super healthy. And there is also 2 new deluxe size samples of shampoo and conditioner. This is really cute packaging. Like the pink pearl color is super cute. This is new, so it's by Garnier, and it says whole blends, gentle conditioner, and gentle shampoo. I am definitely going to be using this. I'm almost out of the current shampoo that I am using, so I am very excited to try these. The next thing I have is another deluxe size of Inventor toothpaste and toothpaste in a tube. So Dr. Sheriff since 1950, certified natural toothpaste. Almost done. So this is another thing that is in here. This is another deluxe size of Dove exfoliating body polish. So it has crushed macadamia and rice milk. The last thing that I have is this sugar multiple glue. It says fixing is good. If it's broken, fix it. If it's not broken, improve it. So here is what it is. Like you can see here that they use it to fix a charger. To fix it, you can put it on like corners and shoes. And that is everything that was in my Pinch Me box. Like I mentioned, I will have all of the details down below so that you guys can subscribe to the subscription box and you guys can get free samples. You know I got your back. I'm always trying to help everybody save some money, and this is pretty cool because I feel like all these products are new. So they are sending you like new products and they want you to review them. They want you to know your thoughts and what you think about them. I will link it down below. And that's going to be everything for today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. You guys are eligible of shampoo. And then there is 2. Ooh, that smells just so good. Like, am I supposed to put this on all my body? Ah, so you use this in the shower or bath. It's not lotion, guys. My mom is making mole today. I just noticed that my lamp is crooked. Also, this pillow right here is actually for sale on my Mercari app.